When our customers get excited about the top-level customer service they received and leave a 5-star review online, it really makes an impact on our staff. And in turn, we love to share that experience with others. This customer was so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. It never gets old to hear our customers post these types of experiences online. We take great pride in knowing our customers are happy. It motivates us to continue working hard at providing the best possible service. Happy customers are the key to our success, allowing us to continue growing our customer base. One of the keys to our success is that we place our focus on our customers. It's how we earn our great reviews and how we'll earn yours too. We hope you enjoyed our small section of the internet today. We look forward to talking to you.